Hello beautiful people, let's make vanilla ice cream. I used a large bowl so that this wouldn't spill, and I added in whipped cream, and I also brought in cold water, very chilled water. And with my spatula I'll mix this to come together before bringing in the hand mixer. And we'll start using the hand mixer. I'm using the lowest speed of the hand mixer, and we're going to mix this for about 2 minutes. We are not looking out for a stiff peak, we are looking out for a soft peak. Please do not allow it to get to stiff peak, except you're looking out for frozen butter or frozen pudding. So we'll just beat this for 2 minutes and that will be fine. And we'll scrape the sides of the bowl in case there is any that is not well mixed. And I've brought in condensed milk and vanilla extract, and we'll mix this for another minute to combine properly for everything to come together. I'll scrape the sides of the bowl also in case if there are any mixtures that has not yet dissolved, and I'm going to beat this for another 30 seconds and that will be all. I'll transfer this to a bowl, and we're going to send this to the freezer for up to 6 hours. If you have the time, you can leave it overnight. I'm leveling this with my spatula, and I covered it with a foil paper. I wanted to get that store-bought ice cream feel. And this is the next day. And I'm scooping it to have a jolly good time. And I added in some cookies and some peanuts. This is way yummy. You can make ice creams at the comfort of your home. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet part of our family. Like and share my videos to get amazing contents like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.